What's up, family? Welcome to Ddins Xperience. Here we do food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, if you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. If you have any ideas or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. And without further ado, let's get to the menu. Okay, for these mini cheesecakes, all you're gonna need is cream cheese, whipped cream, heavy cream, vanilla abstract, sugar, fresh lemon, strawberries, milk chocolate morsels, and Keebler ready graham crust. This is going to be a beautiful and easy treat to make for your Valentine. So without further ado, let's get to creating this, family. Okay, in our trusty mixing bowl, we're going to add in 2 blocks of cream cheese, 1 tub of whipping cream, a ½ teaspoon of vanilla abstract, and we're going to add in 1 pint of heavy whipping cream. Yes. And at this moment, we're going to go ahead and give this a nice mix, family. Just as you see here. Now at this moment, we're going to go ahead and cut our lemon in half, and we're going to add in a ½ teaspoon to a teaspoon of lemon juice. Then we're going to add in 1/4 cup of sugar. And we're going to go ahead and finish giving this a nice mix, family. And this is the consistency that we are looking for. Now before we go ahead and assemble our cheesecakes, quick facts. What does cheesecake mean sexually? A summary from Women You Should Know. According to Noodlerama, the term cheesecake in connection with women was used in Britain in the 1660s to describe overly sexy or promiscuous women. One day, James was posing an attractive young woman when a breeze blew up her skirt, when more leg than usual came on display. Pretty cool. You learn something new every day. Okay. Pretty cool. Now it's time to assemble our mini cheesecakes, family. And as you see here, we're just going to put our filling into our Keebler graham crust. Yes. Now at this time, let's go ahead and put our cheesecakes to the side into the freezer, and let's get to our strawberries. And as our strawberries are concerned, all we're going to do is cut the tips of them off, as you see here. Okay. Give me a like. But let's get to our chocolate, family. We're going to add in 1 bag to 2 bags of chocolate, however much you desire. And we're going to melt it down to this. Yes. Okay. Now let's get back to our mini cheesecakes, family. Now we're going to go ahead and add our strawberries on top as the garnish. It is this easy, fellas. Now you don't have no excuse not to make your Valentine a beautiful treat. Okay. Now we're going to take our chocolate, as you see here, and we're going to drizzle it over top of our mini cheesecakes. You can even inject it with the most beautiful chocolateness. Okay, family, it's time for a taste test. I went ahead and gave it to my daughter. Let's see what she has to say. Delicious! I want to say thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 1,000 Ddins and to our next food adventure. Peace.